Good morning everyone, it's Rachel here and I am here with an exciting announcement. Sarah has shared on Instagram, it's on my page, Mum's page and her page, one of two courses that we are going to be teaching. This year I was planning a second trip. I was planning it at later in the year, but I'm doing it now in the middle of the year because that was Steffi's preference and Sarah's longer holidays. So I'm going home at the end of June and I will be going up to Corinne's retreat, which I am so excited about. I get such FOMO seeing everybody going off to these retreats and having it so much fun together. Really nice bunch of ladies, and I'm going to her Hervey Bay with Sarah, her Hervey Bay retreat. So I think she still has that one open, so I'll link that one in the description box. Let me write that down, link. And if anyone has the time or is not already booked, or if you're up in Queensland and you want to participate, I am going and Sass is going to Corinne's Hervey Bay retreat, and I think it'll be so much fun. Right, so we are going to be teaching two courses at, just a minute, sorry guys, oh my goodness, we're going to be teaching two courses at Made by Me Made by Me workshop studio. That's her studio. It's in Sydney, so it looks like a lovely studio. Sarah's done quite a few courses there held by other people, and it's a big studio. It's in a very convenient area in Sydney, between the city and the airport, and quite close to a metro line. And so if anyone's coming from out of state or out of country, you can just stay in Sydney, and you can Uber it or metro it or whatever to the studio, and it's easy. So the first course that we're teaching is going to be over 3 days. And let me just grab the dates. I'll put the link in the description box. It's in July. It's this second week of the third week of July. I think it works out to be, yes, it's the third week. So it starts on Monday to the 16th. It's a 3-day workshop, and it's a hardcover journal. We're going to put a little bit of textiles in as well, and you can do a slow stitch cover. I'm going to bring these 3 examples. I went wild on this cover. I did go a little bit banana. I was only going to do that a little bit, and then I was like, oh, I'll do that one as well. And so that's my wild one. So that's for more advanced stitches. I did a very simple one here where you literally just do a little teeny tiny stitch to hold everything down, which is lovely as well. And then I just did another one where I cantha stitched it. I added some paper onto that one as well. So there's various levels of difficulty. And the way we've structured the course, we'll work on the cover, and then you'll have time to keep on working on that, because especially if you do a cover like that, that's a bit more time consuming. This, you can get that done fairly quickly. You probably get it done even in the studio when we're there. And we're going to then, I'll just show you, I've done bits and pieces in all of them. We're going to construct the journal in the hardcover. We're not going to have special books because we're going to cover them with the fabric. And then we're going to be working in the journal, so we'll show you how we put the pages in and all different kinds of possibilities of putting the pages in. And then we're going to make things. We're going to fill it with all the exciting things as well. We're going to have a day of making as well, all different ideas for ephemera, which is quite often quite hard, is remembering all the different things. I don't think I've done anything in there, but I may slowly do a little bit more in these before I come out. And the other thing is my piece, my spine, I don't have big spines, so I'm not going to fully fill the books because they'll become gator mouths, but we'll show you how to make that, give you the process of doing that so that you don't have a gator mouth. So I've got bits and pieces in here that I was playing with that will be coming out. So just, yeah, they're all just going to be lovely journals and making lots of things to go in them, and we're going to put some textiles in here and there. and you'll get very, very generous kits. We always give way too much stuff. And we will have a pop-up shop with extra things that you can purchase if you want to, and I'll be bringing stuff from Italy. And there was one more thing I needed to tell you, and I'm drawing a blank now. Oh my goodness, what was I going to tell you? So yeah, we're going to put in the pages, make the ephemera, different levels of degrees of difficulty as far as stitching. So if you're not a stitcher, we'll get you over the line just maybe having a simple cover. Oh, that's it. I'm going to design, or I might get Steffi, I'll just see how I go, or Steph or I or both of us will be designing a new kit, and it will be the first release of that kit in Australia, and then I'll release it later in my shop. So you guys are going to get first view, and I'll probably have fabrics as well. And we do have a second course that's going to be a 2-day course. Now that course is not up on the website yet, so I'm just going to let you know vaguely what it is. I'm going to do a part 2, announcement part 2, and go through that project, but I'll let you know it's going to be a textile journal. It's textile, so it's going to be like a fabric book with a soft cover. So here's an idea. Okay, it's going to be whatever size you like, but it's going to be a textile book, and that will be a 2-day, and that is the following 2 days, 17th and 18th of July. And so I will, don't quote me on that, go and look at the link on the Made by Me workshop website, which will be in the description box, and then the next 2 days after this course will be the textile journal course. So we're very excited. I'm excited to go home and do all these fun things, and it's always lovely to connect with everyone. I get to do it about once a year, so this will be it for me for this year. Yeah, very excited. So hope to see some of you there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon, hopefully in Sydney. Bye.